showing you some batteries that I purchased from Green Tech Auto out of Olathe. That is from a 2015 Ford Hybrid vehicle, a C-Max, Ford Fusion, same batteries. They're interesting in design because of the terminals. I want to make a power pack out of these. And when I compare these 76 cells, each one of them puts out about 18 watts, 17.9 watt hours per cell at 4.2 volts, but going down to 2.75 volts, which I probably wouldn't recommend taking a battery that low, a lithium battery. But think about it, there's 76 of these things, and together they weigh quite a bit. But you almost need 50 times this many if you have a Chevy Bolt like I do, or in the Volt, which is a V, has 18 kilowatts, so it'd be about 16 times this many batteries. Incredible amount of batteries to run a car when you think about it. There's one thing I also wanted to point out about these cells that came out of a Ford, is this peculiar 5mm nut. And that requires, because when I bought it in packs, I had to disassemble it myself. It requires a replacement right there, and that's an 8mm socket you use. You use a 6.8mm socket to take these off, and you have to be very careful and press down on it and twist at the same time, because I've not found a socket that fits this 12 star. I've tried a 12 point and it doesn't fit. It's like 7.5mm socket you would need, or 7.6, or some specialized tool that Ford probably has made for them. I think these are made by LG, and they're unique. If we were to take, let me get these out here. Whoop, 2 cells. Those are approximately, let me focus here. Approximately 16 watt hours, where, you know, that is almost 18 watt hours. And it's different chemistry. These are lithium ions. These are lithium metal, or I'm not sure what the composition of these are. They just look neat because of their way attaching it for the project I want to work on. I don't know if I'd use this in a power wall. You could easily use it, but you'd need to get a bunch of packs. Now these packs, they came in 2, and I had to disassemble them. Are in what are in one vehicle, 1.4 kilowatt hours packs, and then 2 of them. There's 76 cells altogether. So you'd need a significant, maybe 3 or 4 of these cars, and they are available at Green Tech Auto in Olathe. And I think I'll attach Art, who I bought these from, phone number, because I bought some Tesla batteries from him before, which I thought were nice. They came out of Mercedes, made by Tesla. So anyway, this is something you can consider for a power wall, or what I'm going to use it for is a solar charger, which means that I'm going to put all these batteries in a case and hook them up and put a 1500 watt inverter on it, and just kind of use it for emergency backup power, electrical power. And as I mentioned before, all these batteries can only power a vehicle for like 4 or 5 miles. Not very much. For those of you that are interested in how much these 2 packs cost, it was $400 plus tax, because I had my sister pick them up, but they're $400 and have them shipped to you. I do not know what the weight of these are, but I'm guessing somewhere around 40 pounds. That would be a pretty good guess. Anyway, might be worth looking into for a power wall or for a project like I'm doing right now.